What did you think of Rocky Pennington overall and what she contributed to Amber Heard's case?
Yeah, it was curious to me that a lot of these kind of pivotal witnesses for the Heard team were being used with their videotape testimony rather than live testimony. I'm not quite sure why that was or how that worked out, but I would say that Rocky, was impactful. She obviously was able to add to that further narrative that this was an incredibly toxic relationship. But something that kind of struck me in listening to her is a lot of witnesses described that there are people around all the time. They all kind of knew each other in these little community of penthouses. They all had keys to each other's places. There always seemed to be somebody around. And it would beg the question, if you're on the Depp team, well, then why aren't there more witnesses to this alleged violence? There's only one witness, aside from Heard herself, that they've been able to put forward that says they actually saw him ever lay hands on her. And that's something I think you would drill home the point on if you're on the Depp team. If you're on the Heard team, I think you're talking about, but look at all of this, all this smoke. You may not see the fire, but you see all this smoke from the kind of violent behavior he had, smashing bottles and pushing people's hands away. It was obviously that he would kind of manifest his anger in a physical way, and I think you would say that would lead to abuse most likely. But one thing that's become abundantly clear is just how unhealthy an environment that was for the two of them.
Yeah.